and welcome to Unlocked. Today we're showcasing the Pro XL Adaptable Handle from Chameleon, a truly adaptable solution for door hardware replacements. The Pro XL handle is the ultimate adaptable solution for locksmiths and installers. With its adjustable centres ranging from 59mm to 96mm and adaptable screw hole positions, this handle is designed to make your life easier. It's all about flexibility and efficiency. What sets the Pro XL apart is its dual adaptability. Not only can it adjust to fit a variety of lock centres, but it also features adaptable screw hole positions. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of multi-point locks and door setups, with no need to worry about finding an exact match. The Pro XL has you covered. We know that time is money, and the Pro XL handle is a true first fix solution. Its adaptable design eliminates the need for time-consuming modifications or additional parts, allowing you to complete the job in a single visit. It's quick, efficient and hassle-free. It's built to last. The Pro XL is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. Whether it's for PVC, timber or composite doors, this handle is tough enough for any application while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance. It's also available in a variety of colours. The handle is ideal for multi-point locking systems and is perfect for both repairs and upgrades. Its universal adaptability means it's the only handle you'll need to keep in your toolkit, saving both space and reducing costs. And it's not just functional. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use, making it a practical and stylish upgrade for any property. Looking for a handle that's up to adapting for any challenge? The Chameleon Pro XL Adaptable Handle is your first fix solution, saving you time and delivering unmatched versatility. It's available now at Aldridge Security, where you can learn more on our website by visiting www.aldridgesecurity.co.uk. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, professional tips and security insights. Thanks for watching Unlocked. See you next time.